Hey WordPress, we are going to learn today how to generate a child theme in your WordPress website. Using a child theme in WordPress is essential to preserve customizations while updating the parent theme. It's ensured that your modifications to the website design and functionality remain intact, allowing you to take advantage of updates and security patches without losing your changes. So you must enable the child theme, but most of the time when you're using a free theme or any free or a freemium theme, so most of time you didn't see any child theme. Generating a child theme, it's really easy if you watch this video. So first of all, you must have to install a parent theme. Here you can see we have a free theme called Extra, but Extra never offer a child theme, so we need to enable or generate a child theme manually. You can, if you are not a tech person, but it's really easy for any non-tech person to generate a child theme. Just go to plugin and add new and type here child, just child. Then you will see a plugin called child theme configurator and by Leia Media. This one, just install it, then activate and go to this, go to tools and then find the child themes option. So you have to select the Astra or your any kind it will be default the activated theme, parent theme. So you don't have to do anything, and then just hit the analyze button and it says this theme error. Okay, so if you see this green message, then you must have to do you can change the attribute here. You can change the name, you can change the URL, you can change the author and the website, anything you can change, but we don't need to change it. It doesn't matter. And you must have to check this option, 8 option, this copy menus widget and other customizer setting from the foreign theme to the child theme. Just check it and hit the create new child theme. Okay, it will take a little bit time. Okay, everything is done, so you need to check the themes and you will see a child theme here called Esther Child. Just activate and your website is now on child theme. The parent theme is here, so you can update your parent theme later, but it won't break the website. So it's really easy and just 1 minute matters for any type of person like non-tech or tech person. It's just a little bit. It's really easy to generate a child theme. So if you having any trouble with generating a child theme, just comment me below and like the video and feel free to share. Thank you.